Hello South Africa. Today is Friday, March 11, 2022 and here is a news in a minute. Cooking oil price on the rise as panic buying makes a fast return. Panic buying is no longer a thing of the past as the price of cooking oil reaches higher levels. Oxford Supermarket, a well-known retailer, revealed that customers sent car guards into the store to purchase 5-litre cooking oil for them. This is due to the limit the company set for the purchasing of the products. The limit is 4 bottles of 5-litre oil per customer. Owner of Oxford Supermarket Brett Latimer stated that the company has a few months' worth of stock of cooking oil. He spoke about informal traders and shop traders entering the store to clean it out of stock. He added that if the above occurs, ordinary customers would not be able to purchase enough cooking oil. While Latimer stated that the oil price stayed at 149 Rand for 5 litres, people were panic buying to keep enough stock. A spokesperson for Willoton Group stated that the new cost of 5 litres of oil is 190 Rand. The spokesperson explained that customers need to brace themselves for an increase in oil prices, adding that it may be over 200 Rand. The spokesperson revealed that the current situation is extremely volatile, IOL. The situation could change at any time given the political atmosphere in Europe. He went on to reassure customers that there will be a continuous supply of cooking oil in South Africa. Panic buying is not necessary. The spokesperson went on to explain that the prices could rise to up to 250 Rand for 5 litres of oil given the international prices at the moment. This is Leah for the South African.